Alrighty, y'all. Welcome to the Soulify demonstration. This is a demonstration for the senior project class of the fall semester in 2023 at KSU. Our group project code is SP27 Soulify, or Spotify rather. So this semester we decided to create a application called Soulify, which is a third-party Spotify application that uses the Spotify API to do a whole bunch of visualization based off of your listening analytics and help you create some playlists along the way. So the first thing we'll do is look at my listening analytics, me as a Spotify user. And because I have already logged in to the Spotify application, it did not prompt me to log in, but normally if it's your first time logging in my case I have those credentials cached, but it would ask you to go through the Spotify API authentication process. So my top tracks for the last month, the last 6 months, and all time, you can see that we have all these different songs that it gets in real time from Spotify, which is pretty cool. And then we have an actual listening analysis, which is a radar chart that describes my music taste. So from this radar chart, we can see that I love loud music, I love energetic music. I'm not so much a fan of acoustic music or very vocally induced songs. Valence would mean sad songs. And I'm just about in the middle on tempo. So if we wanted to create a playlist from the last month of my favorite songs, just go last month, top tracks last month, create playlist. And then it's going to open Spotify. It's going to take us to the top tracks last month, and boom, there we go. Pretty cool. So the next functionality of Soulify is the create page. So we can select up to 5 songs. We'll create a playlist based off of those songs. And generally this works better if the artists, the songs, the albums that you choose are generally aligned. They're within the same sphere of music. Otherwise, you're just going to get a whole bunch of random stuff. So I'm thinking just maybe 80s rock or something like that. So we'll say Pink Floyd. We'll go Van Halen. Why not some Motley Crue? And how about some Metallica? Why not? Okay, so now we're going to create a playlist, and we'll call this the Soulify curation. It's just fine. And for this run through, I would like my music very acoustic. I would like it very sad. I'm going to leave the energy just about at the middle, and I don't want to dance to this music. And I'm going to leave the popularity pretty much just untouched, because this attribute right here definitely affects it more than any of the other ones. So we'll go create playlist. It's going to take us right to our curation, and we can see we have pretty much exactly what we asked for. Some acoustic Van Halen songs, a whole bunch of this stuff. We also have an FAQ page where we kind of go through the consent. So basically when you sign up or you sign into Soulify, you're telling us that you're going to give us permission to use your data as a Spotify user in order to create some of this stuff for you. And we kind of go through just some common questions that might come up, stuff like that. We have our information here at the bottom. And that pretty much covers it for Soulify.